best underwater camera for $40 on Amazon. You cannot get anything that's better than this. Welcome to an unboxing of the Crosstour action camera underwater. It has a 2-inch screen, it's full 1080p, it lasts 120 minutes of record time, and it has a 170-degree wide angle. Now the original GoPro / action camera I was going to get, the original one I was going to get, only had a 120-degree wide angle. So this is going to be much better for underwater footage. So first off, this package is decently weighted. Like, this package weighs a good 3 pounds maybe. It weighs a decent amount. And of course, right off the bat, I'm gonna have trouble opening it. Okay, obviously you don't open that side. I feel there's like a trick to this. I feel there's a trick, isn't there? Seriously? There's like no real way. Oh. I should have checked the package first. So let's open this up. Here we go. Contact us. Here it is. Let's take up the actual box. So this is a compartment just for the camera. Let's unbox this. No, you're not gonna strap it to the friggin' box. Don't do what this friggin' toy people do. Here it is, everyone. This entire thing's wrapped in plastic. I just woke up like not too long ago. I didn't think it would actually arrive today, but I had a feeling it would. I had the best dream last night. I had a dream about Donald Trump built a wall and enslaved the Americans. Yeah. So let's turn it on. Hold on. Apparently it's not charged. I will say these buttons are quite hard to press. Let's take off the camera. Let's see what kind of news there is. There's a good seal on this thing. Of course, there's more plastic over this. Whoop. Thing's pretty small. So if we open up the back, I don't know why we can't open this up. That's where the battery goes. Oh, that's why I need a battery. Micro SD card, USB, and micro HDMI. So this casing is pretty tough, huh? Do you like the stand it comes with? Manual. Oh wow, look at this nice manual that no one reads. At least the manual's okay. You know, I can't expect more from a manual. This thing. Okay, I think I'm charging this. Okay, and I am. The nice thing about this camera is this camera comes with more accessories than a GoPro. Like, you're paying $40 for this. This thing comes with tons of accessories. A GoPro, you're paying around $400, and all you get is just the GoPro, nothing else. This thing comes with more accessories than you can imagine. Now let's just open the first thing. Oh my god, it's so tiny. A mini battery. A little tripod mount. I'm not quite sure if this has to. Yeah, I don't think this will. I think you actually have to put this in. Like that. It's not guaranteed it will. You have to really push it. until it clamps on. Oh crap, I touched the freaking lens. Until it like, there you go. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, let's take this off. That's a weird accessory. Everything's perfectly wrapped. I mean, I don't know why they had to. What they did, charger, I guess. Oh, I didn't think it would come with this. Kind of. There we go. It comes with like a little thing, and I think this is a rubber band, and I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure how this thing works. Yeah, you open that. You have it come through. You close it. Yeah, I'm still quite not sure how this works. I mean, I don't know if there's like an attachment that goes on this. We can see about that later. Let's see what's in this bag. I think I might have to keep the box just to put the accessories. Oh, double-sided tape things. Yeah, see? Super sticky. Let's keep that on. Because this is supposedly supposed to, yeah, see, it clamps on like that, and then the brusquely take it off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the bag for this because I don't want that getting undone. Okay. Let's see what this is all about. What, a sled thingy, I guess? I'm not quite sure. Oh, some double-sided tape and some zip ties and a microfiber cloth. And some... Oh, string! Perfect, so I don't lose this darn thing. Now, I'm actually not afraid of losing this thing because it's so cheap, but at the same time, I want to keep it protected. What the heck is this thing? Okay, Pac-Man, I guess. Oh yeah, forgot to mention. This thing came with a second battery. It's adorable. Okay. Are we done? We still got more. Okay, I think I might know what this thing is. It's like a little rubber piece. Oh, a stand, I guess, for it. I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, I know what these are. Okay. I was actually wanting one of these. I was actually wanting one of these, so I got it, so I can get the hand grip. So, yeah, it's basically a bunch more junk. Okay, let's get that battery in, shall we? The fricks, open up. I got it open. Oh, I freaking dropped the door. Okay, let's get a battery in, shall we? It goes in like this. And you put the cap on. It's sealed, so the battery won't get damaged too much. We will turn on. We ready? Boop-a-da-dum. It's turning on. No fun. I have an SD card. Here, hold on. I have one. I actually have like a whole stash of them, but they're my dad's. I do have the spare 16 gigabyte one. I just slide right in. It turned off on me. Can I put it in the right way? Nope, it is in the right way. No, it's not staying in. Turn this thing on. Ah, darn, it won't stay in. I did it! I got it in. Now we can boot it on. Oh. Okay, do not bump the thing hard. Battery's full. The camera on this thing ain't the worst, I will say. The camera on this thing ain't that bad, actually. I want to start recording. Okay, I'm recording. I don't know if I got this footage, but yeah, this camera's quite tiny. I'll tell you that. This recording's pretty cool. Let me put it in its case. It's a nice little case. So you have to like, there you go. It's in its case. This thing's quite heavy, I'll tell you that. Hey, should I put this thing underwater? Hey, yeah guys, let's put this thing underwater. Let's go. Okay, I'm recording. I don't know if I got this footage, but yeah, this camera's quite tiny. I'll tell you that. This recording's pretty cool. Let me put it in its case. Nice little case. Break this thing. I make sure this thing was sealed completely. I don't want anything wrong with it. Still seems to work. Still working. It hasn't broke yet. Okay. Let's see how good it does. Still looks dry. I see bubbles coming out, but I'm not sure if it's damage from the camera. I'm afraid of this thing getting wet, but it still ain't wet. I thought the camera just died because the screen just went black, but it turns out it just does that when you're filming for a long How's this thing going? It still seems to be working underwater. It's very choppy though, I'll tell you that. I think I don't know if I should have this thing recording on 1080p 30 FPS, or I should have this thing running on 60p